Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make maracas. So, now with me I have some very special guests. I have my cousin Diamond and my little sister Jolie. Today we are going to show you how to make the maracas. So you need Fruit Loops, 2 bowls, and you need some eggs. You can't fill them up all the way or else they won't make any sound. That's in the background is a maraca that we already made. Okay, so first we are going to have the egg, the top part, because that's the biggest part. We are going to grab the Fruit Loops and put them in. Then keep doing this until you've made sure that all the eggs are ready to start shaking. And you can glue or tape spoons and the popsicle sticks to the eggs. Okay, so I already made one. Probably quick. You can slow it down if you want to, because I am probably going fast because I've made these before on my old school. Cut to diamond while I am making the eggs.
And see me, and maybe you'll be interested in helping us.
Oh no, where's the bottom? You have the bottom? Oh. Oh God. Oh yeah. Crack that egg. Okay. Shake. Oh, wait a minute. Who's this egg for? Okay, so we both have 2. Oh.
Diamond for some advice.
Cut to Diamond for some advice on egg making.
Hey guys, what do you want to flour? All you have to do is make an oval and then start making abstract shapes. It'll come out beautiful, especially if you use flat tips.
And we are also doing this video for fun activities to do at home while we are in quarantine. So, I just finished.
Subscribe to our website or
I
our
just-
YouTube channel. It's called DLJ. Go check it out.
Today. Okay, so I just finished my 2 eggs. Oh gosh. And now my little sister is gonna make the other 2 eggs. Smile. Smile. Put a smiley face on. She just woke up from her nap. Wait, these are mine. No, wait. Yours are right here. Yours are right here. Yours. Boss lady. Boss lady. Boss lady. Boss lady. Good. Your name's Boss Lady. Thank you. Let's shake these to make sure they're extra perfect. Okay. Her name's Boss Lady. Actually, Boss Lady. Boss Lady. Boss Lady. Ooh, these are incredible. Incredible. Oh, wait, that's too broke mine. Incredible. Incredible. It's incredible. Incredible. I called it incredible. Incredible. You're perfect. Incredible. Okay. This way. I have horrible tapes. Horrible tapes. Comment below how your summer is. Give a thumbs up if it's great. Give a thumbs to the side if it's, like so. And give a thumbs down if you're just, sitting in your house doing nothing.
And also comment on other videos that they'd like to see from you.
And comment on other videos that you would like us to do. Bye, little hair. Bye, little hair. Baby face. Egg. I call him baby face. Okay. And like if you hear any stomping, that's just like our brother and sister. They're playing basketball. Yeah. So we decided we were going to this is incredible. No! The eggs that we have made have failed. Okay. This is weird. So. Crack. Snap. I want one. This one. Change it. You're gonna have to take the tape off this egg. It's dead. It's dead. Oh gosh. My egg is dead. This egg has cracked. It's not a part of the team anymore. You're so dumb. I'm so sorry, Daddy. I'm so sorry. So sorry that you fell and you pooped. You pooped your baby. Your baby's came out of your daddy. Yo, dude. Hate these. Gonna have to make this one over. So we just found out if you want them to stick like really well and you don't want to crack, you should like tape the cracks. Wait. Did you tape the cracks? Did you tape the cracks? Oh. Diamond hanged up. She hung up. Hang up. Hug. Okay. Hang up. Hanging on a tree. Oh. 2 maracas. I made 2 maracas. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.